We're at the CMI website, cmicharter.org. If you go to student tech support, click on that guy right there. Some of the basic troubleshooting things are here. And the big one is this one right here. I can't log into Infinite Campus. Okay? So if you can't log into Infinite Campus, what you have to do is you have to reset your password. How do you do that? Well, you got to log out of your Chromebook, look for the password reset tool, click on that, go here, put your ID number, my.phsd.org, your current password, your new password, repeat it, click there, and then it's going to ask you to turn it off. You power it off, you come back, you remove all the users from your Chromebook, and then you log in. Go to puhsd.org, click on ClassLink, boom. Click on Infinite Campus. When you are Infinite Campus, you need to get rid of your old password. So you got to go up here, look for this key when you're in Infinite Campus. So after you've changed your password, you got to go up there and click on that key. Okay, once you click on that key, this trash can is going to show up. It'll show your ID number there. And then you click on it, and it gets rid of your old password. And then you got to make sure that you click refresh. And then you enter your new ID number and your password. You're probably going to have to do this 2 times because you have to let the system know that you're not a robot. So the first time you do it, it's going to have you do it again. But make sure when you see this thing that pops up, I'm not a robot, click on that first. Type in your ID number, then type in your password, and then boom, it should let you in. Hope this helps.